Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright Locators Part 3. The next one is nth index. There are many chances when we locate any element, we may get multiple elements. In that case, we can get the nth element by using this locator. Suppose when we identify this about menu, end up with getting multiple elements. Let me show you. So for that, I will use this same statement. So here I will pass about, and here I will try to pass false, so that it will find the containing word of about. So we may get multiple elements here. I will run this program. So now this test case will fail. See here, this test case is failed. So the reason behind is it is failed in element.click. Why? Because it is returned multiple element. See, if you come down, see, there are 6 elements are matching with this about word. So out of this one, we have to find out the right one. So for us, the right one is the first one. So we have to select the first element. So for that, what I will do is here dot end of 0. So the first one will get clicked. Now I will run. I will step over. So this line got passed. See, now it is clicked. You can see the about menu is clicked. Next one is filter. Suppose if you wanted to apply any additional filters while locating any element, we can use this filter. So in this page, if you wanted to locate this link, let's say start with our beginner's guide, this link I wanted to click, then we have to go to this inspect element. If you see here, this is an anchor tag and its containing text is start with our beginner's guide. So I will use this one. So I'll find out the element by using locator of method. For that element equal to page dot locator of. So we need to identify first the anchor tag. So yeah, I'll give. So this will find out by using the tag anchor. So here we will get multiple elements with A. So now what I will do is I will apply the filter here. So for that, after this statement, I will type dot filter. So here what we can do is there is an attribute called hash text. Hash text equal to, copy this complete string. So now we can click on element. I will run this code. See, that page is clicked. That's the reason we are getting this Python for beginners page. So the same filter can be applied for any of this locator. For all the locators, we can use this filter. So the next one is first and last. This locator is used to get the first or last element from a list of elements. For this, I will take this example. So here, instead of nth, we have to write first or last. So here, we already saw when we use this about text, we got 6 elements. So out of that 6, we are going to select the first one. So let me run this code. I will step over. So here the about menu is clicked. I'll run. And now I will change this to last. So this time it will select the last one, which means the 6th element it will take. So it is going to find out the last element of the link contains about word. So yeah, maybe it might have find out. Yeah, this is how to use this first and last. And the next is visible and is hidden. These locators determines whether the element is visible or hidden. I will take any of this example. Let me take this one, this placeholder. Let me take this example, copy this. So here we are identifying the placeholder search. And then I'm going to print whether this element is visible or not. So I'll use the print statement. Element dot is visible. Before that I will add one string, visible equal to. The same way I'll use it for hidden. So here we have to add the plus symbol. Is hidden. Yeah. Now we should get visible equal to true and hidden equal to false. Because this control is this element is visible. So we should get visible true and it is not hidden. So I should get false. Second one. Oh, I think there is an error. So if you see, can only concatenate string, not bool. So we have to convert this one because the output of this one is boolean. So we have to convert this to string. So to convert this to string, str off. Now the test case is passed. We can see the print statement. The message is not printed. Yeah, the reason behind is we have to add the Pytest init file here. I will add pytest.ini file. So here we have to add this comment. Pytest add ops equal to -s. If you add these statements in Pytest ini file, then we can get the logs. See, visible equal to true, hidden equal to false. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Playwright Locators Part 4. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.